Hey there, if you're battling a pesky cough, here are some quick tips to find relief. First, hydration is key. Drink plenty of fluids like warm broth, herbal teas, or lemon water to keep your throat lubricated. Gargle with warm salt water to reduce inflammation and irritation in your throat. Breathe in steam from a hot shower or steam tent to loosen mucus and ease coughing. Soothe with honey. It has antibacterial properties and can ease coughs for adults and kids over 1. Suck on sugar-free lozenges or cough drops to moisten your throat and ease coughing. At night, elevate your head with extra pillows to drain mucus and reduce coughing. Remember, these remedies are for minor coughs. If yours persists or is severe, consult a doctor. Hope these tips bring you some relief. Stay healthy. Add some cheerful music and visuals to make it engaging.